Waheguru. Waheguru. And those were the words of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And Guru Gobind Singh Ji said those words and they came true. To know how they came true, you need to come to the other course or read the history of Banda Singh Bahadur. Sare bolo Waheguru. Next. Then Guru Gobind Singh Ji, when he was going on his way, he came to a Sikh called Pai Dalla Ji. What was his name of the Sikh? Pai Dalla Ji. Everybody loves Guru Gobind Singh Ji, right? Everybody loves Pai Dalla Ji, also loves Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And he said, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, why did you tell me? Chote sahib shaheed ho gaye, bade shaheed ho gaye. Why did you tell me? I have got these people. He was living in the forest with all these people. He had a clan of tall soldiers. He said, if you had told me, I would have come and I have killed those Mughals. Those bad people, how can they do that? Guruji said, I had my Sikhs with me. They said, no, Guruji, your Sikhs are all from lower caste. I am from a higher caste. See my build, see my people, they are 7 feet tall. They could have fought. Was it right? No. He was a Sikh. He loved Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Believe me, he loved Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Just like some of us believe Guru Gobind Singh Ji but still believe in caste system. So he actually served Guru Gobind Singh Ji for so many days. And then Guru Gobind Singh Ji, when he saw that he served me, Guruji wanted to bless him with some thought. So the next day, a Sikh brought a rifle. You see a double barrel gun over here? And Guruji I want to test it. Pai Dalla said, okay, let's test it in the jungle. Guruji said, no, I want to test it from somebody's life. I want to shoot somebody's life. So Guruji, he said, what? You want to shoot somebody's life? Then Guruji said, yes, now bring those 7 feet tall people of yours. I want to see how strong they are. Bring them in front of me. I want to shoot them and see whether they can give their life for Guruji. He said, really, Guruji? He got surprised and he got afraid. He went to his people and said, Guru Gobind Singh Ji wants to shoot somebody. Is anybody ready? They said, no, we will die fighting in the battlefield, but we will not die like this. Bolo Waheguru? Waheguru! Because they were people with caste and they were not really Sikhs. They didn't know what Sikh means. Sikh means, Jo Guru Ji bolange, main karanga. Maharaj Singh presented, Jo Guru Ji bolange, unhanu milega. Jo Guruji bolange ho, main karanga. Whatever Guruji says, I will do it. Jaisi aagya kini thakur tiste mukh nahi moreo, sahaj anand vasyo gra pitar uth muha ko daureo. Whatever Guruji says, I will run and do. Bolo Waheguru. 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 Then Guruji said, okay, fine. Your people are not ready. Go to the tent nearby. My Sikhs are over there. Tell them that Guru Gobind Singh Ji wants to shoot somebody live. He went there. There were 2 Sikhs over there wearing turbans. Some people say that they were father and son. They quickly tied a turban and said, Guruji, me first, please, Guruji shoot me, Guruji shoot me. They were fighting to get shot by Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Bolo Waheguru. 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 Because they knew if Guruji shoots me, I will die in this world, but I will live in God's home. Bolo Waheguru. Waheguru. And then Guruji shot in the air and told Pai Dalla, these are real Sikhs. And then Pai Dalla did seva to Guru Gobind Singh Ji for many days and requested one thing. Guruji, meri request hai. Ki bole Guruji? Guru Gobind Singh Ji bole, bolo Pai Dalla ki request hai tadi. And my request is, Guruji, when I die, please give me a 1 centimeter space in your feet when I die. Guru Gobind Singh Ji muskuran lage, hasan lage. Kehne lage, Pai Dalla, if you ask anything else, I can give it. But I cannot give 1 centimeter space in life. Even half of that I cannot give you. Pai Dalla said, why Guruji? Guruji said, that space is reserved for those who take Khande Mate ki power. That space is reserved for those who take the Amrit of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Jagara Shakal Sikalte. Pai Dalla next day took Amrit. Guru Gobind Singh Ji himself made the Amrit for Pai Dalla Ji to become Sikhs. And Pai Dalla took Amrit and became Pai Dalla Singh. This is how Guru Gobind Singh Ji went on and spread the message of Khalsa brotherhood, the Khalsa Panth, and said, from now on, you need to take Amrit. You need to leave your caste. Khalsa hamari jaat, Khalsa hamari paat. Sri Guru Gobind Singh baniyo makhani hai. Bolo Waheguru. 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 This is a picture of Guru Gobind Singh Ji at Paonta Sahib. This was well before he created the Khalsa, but I just wanted to show you the picture because at this place Guruji had 52 poets and he did the Darbar of poets and he also wrote poetry himself. One of the famous poets of Guru Gobind Singh Ji was Bhai Nand Lal Singh Ji. Even Akal Takht has allowed reading of Bhai Nand Lal Singh Ji the Bani in Kirtan. Otherwise Kirtan Kachi बाणी पढ़ने लाओ नहीं बोलो वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु next please. And then Guru Gobind Singh said the six. He went to Damdama. Where did he go? He told the six go to. He sent them to Mama Ji and said that जो गुरुते बालाजी को निर्मल जी लाके कैसे ना Guru Granth Sahib की bead. He said go and bring the bead back. Said Guru Arjan Dev Ji because Guruji was busy fighting wars. He did not have the bead. The original bead that in 1604 Guru Arjan Dev Ji did the Prakash, right? Sare bolo Vaheguru. And when he went to ask those bead, it was with those people, one of those people who were 22 people claiming to be Guru at Gurudev Balaji. They were actually not anymore Guru. They were not believing in Sikhism, they wanted to make money out of it. So they said, okay, Guru Gobind Singh Ji wants Guru Granth Sahib Ji now. Oh, now he's free from fighting, Fighting, quitting over, hogi non, Baba Ji chide hain. Bolo Vaheguru. He said if he is really the Guru, why can't he write himself? What did they say? If he is really the Guru, why can't he write himself? And then Guru Gobind Singh Ji said, six? No. The six said we can get the bead by fighting. Guruji said no. They have raised a question which can create the doubt in the mind of six of future generation. The Guru Gobind Singh Ji सिर्फ झगड़ा करते सी, लड़ाइयाँ करते सी. बोलो वाहिगुरु. वाहिगुरु. And Guru Gobind Singh Ji sat down and he got Paimani Singh Ji to scribe because he was a known scholar of Gurbani. And Guru Gobind Singh Ji dictated the Bani. Paimani Singh Ji wrote. And what Guru Granth Sahib Ji we read today is written by Guru Gobind Singh Ji. सारे जगह से दोस्ती करते हैं. So, who wrote Guru Granth Sahib Ji that we read it today? He made Paimani Singh Ji. He gave dictated and Paimani Singh Ji wrote it down. Okay, next story. But that cleared the doubt that Guru Gobind Singh Ji could remember the whole body and could download it. How could he download it? He just went to the website and downloaded it. Which website? Which website? Sare bolo Vaheguru. Vaheguru. Turki bani आई. Turki bani आई. Very good. And then Aurangzeb wrote a letter to Guru Gobind Singh Ji that I want to do peace with you. Because he realized he couldn't conquer Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And he wrote a letter to Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Guru Gobind Singh Ji received a letter from Aurangzeb. And then Guru Gobind Singh Ji wrote a letter back to him. The letter was called the letter of victory. Zafarnama. And in that letter, Guruji wrote something very, very important. It's in Farsi, which means when all attempts of peace fail, lifting the sword is my birthright. जब सारे attempt peace fail हो जाते हैं. कई बार हम लोग कहते हैं किसी की करते हैं कृपान वाके घूमते हो. You come to Canada and you still want to wear a कृपान. There's so much problem. I don't want to be involved in this. I just want to be a normal Sardar. बोलो वाहिगुरु. वाहिगुरु. Wahe Guru. Question, what's the need of a Kirpan today? I want to show you what's the need of a Kirpan today. Please click on when all attempts of peace fail. I want to show you what's the need. This is a video released by American police last week.
It may feel like just another day at the office, but occasionally life feels more like an action movie than reality. The authorities are working hard to protect you and to protect our public spaces. But sometimes bad people do bad things. Their motivations are different. The warning signs may vary, but the devastating effects are the same. And unfortunately, you need to be prepared for the worst. If you were ever to find yourself in the middle of an active shooter event, your survival may depend on whether or not you have a plan. The plan doesn't have to be complicated. There are 3 things you could do that make a difference. Run, hide, fight. First and foremost, if you can get out, do. Always try and escape or evacuate, even when others insist on staying. Encourage others to be with you, but don't let them slow you down with indecision. Remember what's important. You, not your stuff. Leave your belongings behind and try to find a way to get out safely. Trying to get yourself out of harm's way needs to be your #1 priority. Once you are out of the line of fire, try to prevent others from walking into the danger zone and call 911. If you can't get out safely, you need to find a place to hide. Act quickly and quietly. Try to secure your hiding place the best you can. Turn out lights, and if possible, remember to lock doors. Silence your ringer and vibration mode on your cell phone. Find a safe room or closet. Try to conceal yourself behind large objects that may protect you. Do your best to remain quiet and calm. As a last resort, if your life is at risk, whether you are alone or working together as a group, fight. Act with aggression. Improvise weapons. Disarm him. And commit to taking the shooter down, no matter what.
As old as 4 years, 5 years old in a school, right? Sare bolo Waheguru. 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 A mighty volume cut. Waheguru. 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 So, on the game. Shukar asma hilne dar budas halal ast bardar mashmujin das. Guruji said this since 1700 AD, and today the California police station is giving the message: when you can't do anything, fight. Improvise your weapons. Fight with aggression. Right? They're telling it today, and Guru Gobind Singh Ji said at that time. So wasn't Guru Gobind Singh Ji modern? He was modern. He knew that protecting yourself is your birthright, and that's why he said we are going to wear the kirpan. Now who can tell me what's the meaning of kirpan? What's the meaning of kirpan? Kirpan का meaning what है? खाली बैठे तो सब white ऐसा. बस बेटा. आगे पढ़ा. खड़े हो तो आंसर देना खड़े हो. Next point है open देगा.
Self defense.
No, sorry. kirpan का मतलब ये है. कौन दसेगा मैंने? बड़े लोग हैं भाई. उठे वो येलो स्टार वाला बेटा है. कौन? पिछली लाइट ऑन कर दो जी. तो दिस इज पिछली लाइट.
Follow the wire back.
God's honor and grace.
No. God's honor. What did you say?
And grace. and grace.
You are very close.
God's honor and blessings.
Blessing, God's blessing. Kirpa, Guru di kirpa na lai hui cheez. Ina look prize hai buddy. Jagara chhod do. Bole sohar. I want to finish this. I know we are a little late on my call. Request करती थी ऐसी 15 मिनट लेट हो सकते हैं. Are you with me? I want to finish Guru Gobind Singh. Are you with me? जगरा चढ़ो करें. And you want to say no. With that, say louder Jagara. संगत ने बोला कि गुरु गोविंद सिंह को बड़ी चटनी पड़ी थी, तो माता पिता को बैठना पड़ा. बोलो वाहिगुरु. वाहिगुरु. So Guru Gobind Singh after that left to Nanded. This is Punjab. From here we went down to south. जिन्होंने पुराने ज़माने में किसी देखो कोई डक्कन लिखा है, लिखा है डक्कन. गुरु साहब डक्कन और दक्षिण और गए, and then there he met next please. He met Banda Singh Bahadur. This whole story is in the Poonch Shahidane camp, or you can read it online. I'm not going to tell it because this camp is for Guru Gobind Singh Ji. But Banda Singh Bahadur is a person who went and उन्हें सलाम से कुछ काउंटर किया, and he gave punishment to those who killed the Sahibzada. सारे बोलो ताना बाबा बंदा सिंह बहादुर. ठीक है? So Banda Singh Bahadur, and next, then Guru Gobind Singh Ji decided that now his time has come to leave the world. सारे बोलो वाहिगुरु. वाहिगुरु. And he said, आज तो सारे सिख जड़े ने ना गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी को अपना सिख गुरु मानणगे. आज्ञा भई अकाल की सबसे बड़ी तो हुक्म है गुरु मान्यो ग्रंथ. गुरु ग्रंथ को मानना लगे कि क्या गुरु ग्रंथ जी मान्यो ग्रंथ जी है. It means Guru Granth Sahib Ji is the 10th Guru standing in front of Ji. And then somebody asked, if I want to meet Guru, how? जो प्रभु को मेरे बोझ है बोझ समझना है. Those who want to meet Vaheguru, they will have to search the Shabad, not read the Shabad. They will have to search, understand, and reflect on the Shabad. बोलो Vaheguru. 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 Next चलो चलो. अच्छा लगे चलो. And then some six asked Guruji, कि when you going away, असली गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी का फिर मिलना चाहेंगे तो कितना मिलेंगे? तो गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी said, wherever there are 5 saints, you can watch me, because Guru Gobind Singh Ji taught us 3 things. मेरे को पढ़ो पूजा अकाल की, पर्चा शब्द का, दीदार खालसे का. Please pray only to Vaheguru, read only the Gurbaani Shabad, and दीदार करने ने अखा नाल देख के खुश होना है कि खालसे को देख लो. बोलो वाहिगुरु. 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 And then Guru Gobind Singh Ji ने बोला उस सिख ने कि गुरु साहब okay fine, we can see the 5 things, but what if I am in a place where there are no 5 things? How can I see you? Guru Gobind Singh Ji said, okay, in that case, get up in the morning, do Nitnem, and stand in front of a mirror. और तानु गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी साफ नजर आएंगे. बोले सोनिहार. This last video I want to show you बहुत important है. Please किसी ने नहीं उठना. बेबी होनी है गुरु साहब ने ज्योति को संभाल रहे हैं. से आना देगा सारा प्लीज. ठीक है. ओके. 150.
मौसम चंबल घाटी.
ओके करो. ठीक है. कुछ ही डालो.
इस गलती खबर किसी दिन परिस्थितियों में नहीं लगनी चाहिए.
और भी करो.
के अजीम सल्तनत मेरा फकीरा भी बदवा वाला तेरी हो जाए.
पॉज करना एक मिनट. They got the news that Guru Gobind Singh Ji is dead and they are reacting. Okay?
की होया नहीं मेरी कतिया नहीं सुनया ने पूछे ने गुरुजी ते मारू हमला करवा देता है जे मनु नवाब टक्कर देना ने ओदे गट्टा ला दे मैं ओदे टिक च गाटरी फेरो दिया अंदर बाहर कर लो मैं ओदा सिर बच्चे ने काके गली गली फिर जाऊंगी परमात्मा उड़ो जो पूछ जाएगी जेड़ी बाबे दाने ने जगाई थी
आलिजा गली खान जल्दी दस कब हो गया हुजूर दा इकबाल बुलंद गोविंद सिंह का सितारा हमेशा ही गुरु को
I want to tell you, this is Wazir Khan, who killed the Chota Sarkar, right? He said to Pathans to kill Guru Gobind Singh Ji, and this Pathan has come back. He's asking him, "Did you really kill him? Did you really kill him?" Play for him.
शाबाश गली खान कसम अल्लाह पाक भी असी तेरे से बहुत खुश कल हमारे खास विच असी तेरी अजीम कामयाबी ले तेरे इनाम और इकराम दा माला माल कर देंगे बहुत अच्छी सुभान अल्लाह तू बहुत खुशी की खबर लेके आया है शाबाश गली खान शाबाश दस से ना लो किसने किसने सर पुट्टी तो किने पुट्टी रोजमर्रा वाकण उस दिन भी गुरुजी अपने ध्यान में बैठे से उन्होंने कला पाके मौके का फायदा उठाते पठानकोट खान ने उन्होंने छुरे नाल वार किया तो छुरा उन्होंने पेट में उतार दिता तो फिर पठान गायब नहीं हुजूर गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने एक हाथ नाल पठान की बांह पड़ी ते दूजे हाथ नाल ओदा ही छुरा अपने पेट विचों कट के चला देता डिगते डिगते पठान बोलिया हाय अम्मा गुरु जी ने शान सभा नल किया ये मेरा अम्मा बुलंद नहीं अल्लाह बोल अल्लाह कोया काफिर ते मकतूल दोनों खत्म शुद्ध शाबाश गली खान शाबाश कसम है अल्लाह पाक दी असी तेरे ते बहुत खुश ए रेहा तेरा इनाम गली खान साडे इनाम दिए तौहीन गुस्ताखी माफ हुजूर बंदा उन हुजूर दे इनाम और इकराम का मोहताज नहीं जो रब्बी नजारा में उत्थे वेख्या उन्हें मेरी जिंदगी नया रंग ला दिता शहनशाह बहादुर शाह ने गुरु जी से हुए कातिलाना हमले की खबर सुनते ही अपने शाही जरा भेजा ताकीद की थी कि गुरु जी की जिंदगी उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी को ज्यादा अजीज है उन्होंने ईमानदारी कोई कसर न छड़ी जाए गुरु जी के जख्म अजे सुके भी नहीं सन कि उन्होंने हथियारों की इबादत का दिन आ गया वो हथियारों अपने खालसे लिए खुदा की देन समझते सन उस दिन उन्होंने बड़ी अकीदत नाल हथियारों के आगे अपना सिर झुकाया कमान चुकिया तीर लगाया किला चढ़ाया उधर 10 कोसी तीर कमान चो निकलिया इधर खून का फवारा फुटिया नाल खड़े हुए सिंह डोल गए कि महाराज की पाना उठा रहे एक आवाज होके बोले चंदा हुए सूरज चढ़े हजार इतने चानन हो गया घोर अंधारा गुरु जी ने डोले हुए सिंह ने हौसला देते हुए फरमाया भाई सिंह पाना मिट नहीं सकता बड़े बड़े अवतार पैगंबर औलिया उस राजन की रजाई में मनकर चले असी भी उस निरंकार की रजा में चल रहे हैं। बेबस सिंह ने फरियाद की थी, महाराज सानू भुलन आ रहे हो, किससे लड़ ला के अगे जा रहे हो? सतगुरु ने फरमाया, सिंहो ये पंथ असी श्री अकाल पुरख की आज्ञा नाल साजिया, मैं तुसां सीधा उससे लड़ लाया। वो हर थाई हर मुश्किल में थोड़ा सहाय रहेगा। खालसा जी ये ना भूलना, सिंघां दी चार उड़ान, पहली अकाल पुरख की, दूजी सतगुरु की, तीजी सात संगत की, ते चौथी अपनी। माता साहब कौर जी को धीरज देते हुए गुरु जी ने कहा, तुसी अडोल रहना, मैं तुसा दी झोली च खालसा पाया, तुसी सरबत खालसा की माता हो। इस विंसन हार शरीर का शोक न करना, इससे ते विंसना है, कोई अगे ते कोई पीछे, सब चलो चली का मेला है। पिता गुरु जी का वचन है, जो उपजो सो विंस है, पर वो आज के काल नानक हर गुण गाई है, झाड़ सगर झंझाल। अंतिम मेला निकट जाके बड़े तीर मारना, 100 मोरा सेवादारों अपनी अंतिम यात्रा की सामग्री 100 मंचल की लकड़ी लियाने दित्तियां, 500 मोरा होर दित्तियां, ते फरमाया इस लंगर सदा चलता रहे, जब तक मेरा खालसा रहेगा पैसे की कड़ी भी थोड़ी पाएगी। अगले दिन अमृत वेले गुरु जी उठे, स्नान किया, ध्यान किया, नविया पोशाका पहनिया, तन ते जेवर सजाए, सिर ते दस्तार बन के हीरे की कंघी लगाई, ते तन पे शस्त्र सजाए। उन्होंने अंग अंग चो एक जबरदस्त हुक्मरान दा नूर जलाल टपक रहा सी। उन्होंने अंतिम दर्शन में दूर दूर तो संगत उमड़ रही सी। गुरु जी ने अपनी चिता सजाने का हुक्म दिता। सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु। अरदास उपरंत श्री ग्रंथ साहब जी गुरियाई देते हुए सतगुरु ने अकीदत नाल एक श्रीफल ते 5 पैसे श्री ग्रंथ साहब जी ने अगे रखे, शीस नवाया ते फरमाया, आज्ञा भई अकाल की, तभी चलाए पंथ, सब सिखन को हुक्म है, गुरु मानियो ग्रंथ। आखिरी पैगाम देते हुए उन्होंने फरमाया, आज के बाद सारा सारा रूप श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहब जी को जानना, सारी आत्मा श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहब जी के विच होएगी, सारा शरीर पंथ, जिथे भी 5 सिंह मिलेंगे उथे ही सारा वास होएगा। सारा खालसा हो जरा सारी खुदाई में एक कोई परमात्मा की सर्जरी समझता, उससे ही परमात्मा का ना जाता, सरबत का भला मनुष्य मात्र की सेवा ते कमजोरा की हिफाजत को अपना कर्म समझता, मिल के रहता ते वन के छाता। उन्होंने चिता के परमासन लाया ते फरमाया, मैं हूं परम पुरख का दासा, देखा आयो जगत तमाशा, देखा ने जयकारा बोला क्या वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
So what was the last message that Guru Gobind Singh Ji gave us? What were the last words? Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. With this, I just want to give a recap. Prizes ready ne? Course तो खत्म हो गया, but we want to do the prizes for the Dhisar police station. Are you ready? But Guru Gobind Singh Ji said, सिखाना हमेशा चढ़ती कला रहना है। जोर दीजिए गाना दो। लाइटर चालू कर दो, अकेली लाइटर चालू, सिर्फ अकेली हाँ जी।